This is Lenovo TAB M8, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then among the control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, touch and hold at its icon, then turn this toggle on. In here you can rename the device if you want to. You can make your device visible or invisible respectively, and change to whom your tablet is visible to begin with. So as you can see, the device visibility page is lagging and when we do not see, well, the options, but I will just switch the visibility mode to everyone, and then you can also change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. From here, let's test this feature out and see how well it works. So I'll try sending some photo from my other Nokia phone that I have. So let's say I will settle with this one. We will need to wait for our tablet to get discovered, then tap on it among the list of nearby devices. So here it is. Then we have to accept the file transfer at the receiver's end and wait for the photo to get sent and received respectively. Alrighty, so here it is, I guess. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.